You know, sometimes a single picture can tell you everything about the future. And that's exactly what we're doing today. We're going to tear down just one single mock-up from Ascend Forex, and I'm going to show you how it points to an absolute revolution in trading tech. All right, let's get into it.
Okay, so here it is, the Ascend Forex interface. At first glance, yeah, it's clean, it looks professional, but is this really what the future of trading looks like? Is this the blueprint? Well, that's what we're here to find out. We're going to break this thing down piece by piece.
First things first, let's zoom in on the top of the screen. Think of this as the command center, right? It's the very first thing you see when you fire up the app. And let me tell you, the design choices they made here are so critical.
Just look at this. There's zero clutter. It's all about pure focus. You've got your asset pairs, your Euro USD, your BNB USD, bam, right there, front and center. The price, the percentage change for the day, it's all there. No noise, no distractions, just the market's vital signs, fed to you in an instant.
And you gotta understand, this isn't just about looking pretty. This is all about performance. We're talking about a world where milliseconds can literally be the difference between a huge win and a painful loss. So getting that key info immediately, that's not just nice to have, it's a trader's most powerful weapon.
All right, so that's the dashboard. Now let's go deeper. We're dropping right into the heart of the app, the chart itself. This is the arena. This is where the magic happens, where the big decisions get made.
And this, right here, this shows they get it. They know what real traders need. You see the classic Japanese candlesticks? I mean, that's the gold standard, right? And check out the time frames. 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour. This isn't some dumbed-down toy interface. These are pro-level tools for serious, hardcore analysis.
So by nailing these fundamentals, by getting the basics absolutely perfect, Ascend Forex is building this foundation of trust. It's like they're saying to experienced traders, hey, we speak your language, we get how you work, and it's only after they've built that trust that they can pull back the curtain and show you something, well, something truly revolutionary.
And that brings us to the most exciting part of this whole thing. Seriously, let's shift our focus down to the bottom of the screen, because what you're about to see is where Ascend Forex stops playing by the old rules and starts writing a completely new playbook.
Okay, so you've got your standard navigation, assets, chart, totally normal. But then you see these two other buttons, and they just jump out at you, right? Not just because of how they look, but because of what they promise. This, my friends, is where the future starts to get real.
Take a close look at these two, Scan Now and AI Insight. The fact that they're sitting right there at the bottom, perfectly placed for your thumb, that's not an accident. That tells you these aren't just some extra bells and whistles. No, these are the main event. This is the core innovation of the entire app, and they put it right where you can't miss it.
I mean, just look at that Scan Now button. It's impossible to ignore. It's the biggest, brightest thing on the whole screen. That vibrant teal color, that dead center placement, every single design choice is practically screaming at you, press me. This isn't just a button, it's an invitation. It's the big red button you've always wanted to push to unleash something incredibly powerful. This is the engine of the whole platform.
So, the million-dollar question, what happens when you hit that button? Well, this is where Ascend Forex completely changes the game. A smart chart scanner, what does that even mean? We're not just talking about some automated pattern recognition. No way. This is about real-time volatility analysis that puts you miles ahead of the curve. It's about instant trend identification. But the real kicker? This is about agentic AI. An AI that doesn't just sit there and analyze data, it actively hunts for opportunities for you. It suggests trades. This isn't an upgrade, people. This is a full-blown revolution right in the palm of your hand.
And right next to it, you've got AI Insight. And pay close attention to that word insight. That's the key. This isn't about spitting out raw numbers or data points. It's about interpretation. It's about context. This AI is built to give you truly actionable intelligence. It's designed to explain the why behind what the market is doing, not just the what. It's like having a brilliant analyst sitting right next to you 24/7.
Okay, let's step back and put all the pieces together. You've got the super clean, fast dashboard, you've got the pro-grade charting tools, and then you have these just groundbreaking AI features. When you see it all at once, a really clear picture of the future of trading starts to snap into focus.
And this really gets to the core philosophy here. The whole layout, the whole idea behind Ascend Forex, it's not about replacing the trader. Not at all. It's about making the trader unstoppable. The professional tools are there for your analysis, for your skill. And the AI, it's there to supercharge everything you do. It creates this incredible seamless partnership between your human intuition and raw machine intelligence.
And that, right there, is the ultimate promise. It's about taking everything that makes a great trader, your skill, your gut feelings, your years of experience, and combining it with an AI that can scan, analyze, and spot opportunities at a speed and scale that, let's be honest, no human ever could. It's the best of both worlds, and frankly, there is nothing else out there quite like this.
So yeah, this one screen from Ascend Forex, it does so much more than just show off a cool app. It paints this incredibly compelling vision of where trading is headed. And it leaves us with one final and I think really exciting question. How long is it going to be before having an AI copilot like this isn't some crazy luxury, but just a standard, essential tool for every single trader on the planet?